So, if you've been around for a while, you probably know that when I deliver these messages and these meditations, especially, they're usually ones that I really need. Ones that I really, really, really need. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that just this morning I posted about not being born a leader or a teacher or a coach, really manifesting it over time and expressing my leadership and my teacher qualities over time from all the things that I've learned along the way. Just life experience allowing me to teach other people how to get over and through things. And I ended it with saying that you are a healer too. You are a teacher too. Your purpose here is no different than mine: to love other people, to receive love, to learn from your experiences and your trials and your triumphs, and then to teach other people what you've learned. And it can show up in so many different ways. There's a quote by Mark Nepo, correct me and tell me the right way to say it, that says, "Light is in both the broken bottle and the diamond." And I've talked about this before in other meditations. It's one of my favorite quotes because it really speaks to me as a teacher. Who am I to lead others? Who am I to talk about healing when I still feel like there are so many pieces of me that are broken, imperfect, not necessarily unworthy, but not good enough to lead other people? And I suspect that some of you watching might feel the same. Who am I to give advice? Who am I to show the way? Who am I to lead, to teach, to guide when there are so many pieces of me that still need work? I'm telling you that you're there now. That bringing people along the journey, someone who might just be 2 steps behind, reaching back and grabbing their hand and bringing them forward, is the mark of a perfect teacher, is the quality of a perfect leader. You're just being where you are, appreciating what you've learned and experienced, and bringing someone up to speed, someone who might be struggling, or someone who just needs to be shown the way. So that's what today's meditation is about. It's going to be a short one. It's one that is based on affirmations and self-love, and then also receiving love from others, community love. Community love. I saw a brilliant quote today. I'll try to find it. I don't know who said it, but we shout at people so much, this self-love, 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 when what they really need is community love. It's like the basis of everything I do. We're here in this together, partners in co-inspiration. Take a nice big inhale and exhale with me, a cleansing inhale and exhale to receive love and let everything go. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Allow that breath to be an invitation, a crossing over the threshold into a space that's going to hold you in warmth and peace and calm and safety. If it feels good, close your eyes. If not, just gaze at a point across the room or right past the tip of your nose down to the floor in front of you. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears like so. Exhale, roll your shoulder blades down along your spine. Place your hands downturned on your knees or thighs or upturned to receive energy. I'm keeping mine up today. And bring your attention to your easy and effortless inhales and exhales as they are in this moment. It feels good to breathe. It feels good to be alive. It feels good to recognize the affirming nature of your breath that says, you are here. You are a living being in this body, a spiritual being experiencing life on earth. And that means something. What if we could observe every breath with that thought in mind? Like, wow, this breath means I matter. It is the universe's affirmation that I matter and that I should be here no matter my circumstances, no matter my pain, my doubt, my imperfection. I am allowed to be here and I am allowed to shine because light is in both the broken bottle and the diamond. Take that in on an inhale. Settle in on the exhale. Accept these words as truth, as my gift to you, as my love flowing from my heart directly to yours. You have permission to shine, to lead, to teach, to guide, because light is in both the broken bottle and the diamond. Inhale. Exhale, settle into that feeling. Here's an affirmation for you to carry with you after this meditation is done, throughout your day, throughout your whole life. I am allowed to shine. The broken pieces of me do not define me. I am allowed to shine. The broken pieces of me are not who I am. I am allowed to shine. The broken pieces of me reflect light just the same. I am perfect and lovable even in my imperfection. I am perfect and lovable even in my pain. I am perfect and lovable even in my brokenness. Inhale. All the way down to your belly. Exhale, release. I am allowed to shine. I am allowed to shine. I am allowed to shine. As you contemplate those words, imagine that they're swirling in your head, and now bring them down into your heart space. Hold, I am allowed to shine. I am perfect and worthy, even in my imperfection, even in my brokenness, even in my pain. Hold that in your heart space. Inhale, I am allowed to shine. Exhale, let it settle in your heart space. One more time, inhale and exhale. And at the bottom of your exhale, allow a little smile to creep up on your face. Inhale. Exhale, smile. With your next inhale and exhale, if it feels good, go ahead and flutter your eyes open or return your focus to your screen. I giggled on that last word. Exhale, open your eyes. I told ya. My meditations are really for me. They really are for me. Because I'm going through it, folks. You know, if you follow me, if you follow my work, you know I'm going through it. You know that I've been having a lot of family drama. I struggle with my message and where I want my work to go in the future. I'm back in therapy, y'all. I'm actually going to my therapist today, right after this. And I wonder, I doubt, am I able to lead? Am I able to lead in this time of turmoil and chaos? Am I allowed to lead? I think so. But I need that affirmation too. I need to reaffirm my permission to shine. And I know that what I need, so many of you need too, because we are attracted to each other in our, not even our struggles, just in our experiences as, you know, spiritual beings living in these funky human bodies. We share these experiences. So I know that what I feel, so many of you feel too, and vice versa. So I'm so grateful for you showing up for me. If this video touched you at all, reached you at all, or you think it would reach someone that you love, please share it. Please click the share button to send it out into the ether to all of your friends and family and maybe strangers who are just watching you. So many people admiring you from afar and you don't even know it, right? Share it, comment with your, I don't know, your feelings, your requests. I read them all, I answer them all. I want to affirm 3 times. I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for showing up. It compels and inspires me to show up for you. And I will see you on Wednesday with another live video right here. Share and tell people to follow Mondays and Wednesdays, 11 a.m. Eastern.